Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be preparing delicious Italian meatball. Italian people call it sugo di pupetta. Today I'm going to make it my own version of Italian meatball sauce. So without further ado, let's dive into the preparation. These are the ingredients we need to prepare this meatball. We need ground beef, red bell pepper, onions, garlic, egg, tomato paste, cheese, bread crumbs, and barley. Next, I'm adding salt to our beef. Pardon me, I have trust issue with egg, so I needed to break it into another bowl before I can pour it into the beef. I have trust issue because when the egg is back, oh my god. Anyway, we go in with our chopped onions, garlic, cheese, and basil. Next, it's time to mix everything together. First, I was using fork, but the fork is not working, so I had to put it aside, then use my hands. My hand is properly washed. It is easier to mix with your hands, so mix it properly. Then I added bread crumbs. Then I mix carefully together. The reason why I'm adding bread crumb to it so that it will hold everything together because we are going to roll the ball. So mix it properly. Like use your own energy. So I added a little bit of it because the consistency, I don't want it to be that hard and I don't want it to be too soft. So you need to mix properly together so that we can get to the proper consistency. This session is a physiotherapy to me. Everything is properly mixed together and the right consistency. Next is time to move to the next level. Next is time to roll the meatball. Make sure you add a little bit of oil on your palm for easy access to roll. This session is so relaxing. It's giving soft life. It's giving no stress. It's giving I just want to eat. I just want to drink. I just want to dance. It's just giving everything that is vibing, good and positive energy. Once we are done with this session, it's time to move into the next phase. So I'm going to put a pan on the fire and drizzle in some olive oil. Oh my god, is the aroma for me. Like, I wish you guys can taste this. And the most interesting thing about this meatball sauce, it goes in with everything, anything you can imagine: pasta, rice, yam, bread, plantain, potato. It goes in with, and it's perfect for everything. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn up your notification bell, like, comment, share with your loved ones. And thank you guys for cooking with me. See you on my next one.